Today, we're diving into the AZZA Pyramid Mesh PC case, a true apex predator in the realm of gaming enclosures. This variant of the iconic AZZA Pyramid line takes airflow to unprecedented heights, quite literally, with its innovative design tailored for maximum ventilation and component accessibility. First off, let's talk about the design. The Pyramid Mesh boasts a detachable aluminum cover, offering full access to your components with ease. Its horizontal motherboard layout, coupled with a lie-down GPU bracket, not only facilitates efficient cooling but also adds a touch of uniqueness to your setup. And those 4 full metal mesh panels? They not only look stunning but also ensure that your system stays cool under pressure, directing ambient heat outwards while providing a customizable aesthetic depending on your internal lighting setup. In terms of compatibility, this case doesn't disappoint. It supports a range of motherboard sizes, from ETX down to Mini ITX, accommodating a variety of builds. The front GPU position, with 3 available slots and a maximum length of 330mm, ensures compatibility with most high-end graphics cards. Plus, with dedicated bays for both 2.5-inch SSDs and 3.5 SSDs HDDs, storage options are ample and easily accessible. But let's talk airflow. The elevated base design allows cool air to enter and convect upwards, promoting efficient cooling throughout the case. And with support for up to a 360mm radiator and a total of 6 included ARGB fans, including the impressive Hurricane 3 ARGB fan, you can achieve optimal temperatures even during intense gaming sessions. On the convenience front, the front I/O panel is well equipped with essential ports, including a USB 3.1 Type-C port, audio jacks, and USB 3.0 Type-A ports. And let's not forget the included accessories: a PCIe 4.0 x 16 riser cable and a graphics card holder to prevent sag, ensuring both functionality and aesthetics are top-notch. In conclusion, the AZZA Pyramid Mesh PC case is more than just a case. It's a statement piece for any gaming setup. With its innovative design, unmatched airflow, and thoughtful features, it's undoubtedly one of the best gaming enclosures on the market. If you're looking to elevate both your gaming performance and your aesthetic, look no further than the AZZA Pyramid Mesh. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.